Artie Mcyardie here with another one. Hey folks, today we are gonna throw down some mold and dirt and grime remover on our concrete pavers and sidewalk. Let's do it. I got a lot of this black dirt and mold grime that started building up in certain little sections here and there on my sidewalk and my pavers. So, I had a bright idea and I went to Home Depot and I bought some Armor Mold. That's the green jug you see right there. Got my little handheld sprayer, sprayed it on, waited about 10 minutes or so. After 10 minutes, I hosed it down. But I used a light-duty pressure washer electric by Ryobi. Let's see the results later.
Conquered somehow. Oh, when I'm done, I would never think I'd be until now. But if I wait too long, I will be waiting. I bet the second chance will not be dating. I wanna hide away, but it be fading. I know the second chance will not be waiting. To persist. If I don't, I'll never know what I'll miss. Sometimes backfire, but I never had a vision like this. Vision like this, a vision like this. But I never had a vision like this. Vision like this, a vision like this. But I never had a vision like
Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. As you can see, there is no black anywhere. Might do a second application though. As it dries, I'll wait till tomorrow, do another second app. And then I have a lot of work to do on the sidewalk. I just got tired. I did a sample section for now. Kind of funny because after I did a lawn application, I forgot to blow the sidewalk down. So as you can see, there's like smudges and wetness of this yellow irons, whatever color you want to call it. But look at how white the sidewalk is. Alright folks, now let's get to it. Let's get to the real business at hand. Time for some Barricade, Prodiamine, Pre-Emergent. It is cool now. We're in the 70s. It's freezing here in Florida, northeast Florida. Freezing, I say. It's getting down to 50s in the early morning and late night. When those soil temperatures and air temperatures hit 75 and below, it is a time to throw down some Pre-Emergent for the fall. Yes, sir.
Toxic.